How to lower your T-Mobile bill. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reduce your T-Mobile bill legally and easily without losing service or features. If your T-Mobile bill keeps feeling too high each month, it's usually because of extra fees, unused lines, or plan features you don't really need. You might notice you're paying for data you don't use, extra lines that are inactive, or add-ons that aren't necessary. Don't worry, I'll show you actionable ways to lower your monthly bill and keep your plan working exactly how you want it. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Review your current plan and usage. Log into the T-Mobile app or website, check how much data each line is using, and see which features or add-ons you're paying for but rarely use. Step 2. Remove unused lines or devices. If you have lines that aren't being used, consider suspending or removing them. This can save a significant portion of your monthly bill. Step 3. Switch to a more affordable plan. Compare your current plan with T-Mobile's other options like Essentials, Simply Prepaid, or Magenta plans. Downgrading a plan that better fits your actual usage can reduce costs without losing coverage. Step 4. Use autopay and paperless billing discounts. T-Mobile offers small discounts when you enable autopay and paperless billing. These little automatic discounts add up over the year and help lower your total bill. Step 5. Remove or replace paid add-ons. Check for add-ons like international calling, extra hotspot data, or insurance that you don't need. Cancel or downgrade any unnecessary services to reduce costs. Step 6. Contact T-Mobile customer service. Call or chat with T-Mobile support and ask if there are any promotions or loyalty discounts available for your account. Sometimes customer service can apply unadvertised discounts or plan adjustments. Being polite but persistent often leads to extra savings. And that's it. These steps should help you lower your T-Mobile bill without losing service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick carrier tips.